Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Today, we're taking a VF Supercharged Gen 1 R8. We are trading it for the 2019 B9 S4. Wild to park this close to the lip, but sometimes you gotta take chances in life. I gotta put this hat away. This hat is too much. It's 7 in the morning. What's also too much is this cold start. So we'll get that on film for you, no worries. Gravy. It's one of those mornings. Oh, wow. Hit the start button one time, put it in auxiliary, and then make sure it's in dynamic. That's it. That's it.
Let's go, baby.
A little more tame, but I promise she's rowdy.
Still sounds good. It's a very hard comparison to that, but oh, she's throaty though.
She's kind of a little girthy burble to her. Oh, yeah.
See, I'm going to steal your badges when you're not looking.
I bought those for $70 on eBay.
Yeah. All you do is slap her over, hit the sport button. You should see M, gear, S.
Yes.
You want to be in sport mode? I know you've driven R8, so you're good. And yeah, just be getting in first slips a little bit. So as you're rolling, you'll kind of feel the clutch engage, and then you're good. And then first and second, you're on and on it. After that, fine.
Perfect. All right, thank you, sir. Drive safe, have fun.
Go get some ice.
Go fast, do stuff.
Go with me.
First impression, this thing is loud. We got the V10 right behind our ears, and I could not think of a better car to drive on a Sunday morning, ladies and gents. This car is effortless. Oh my God! The downshift is insane. This is so fun, dude. The power comes so fast. All right, we're gonna downshift a couple times. Listen to this. All right, we gotta get this frunk open. Ladies and gents, a little frunk tutorial. Just right here, just one quick button. I think 3 times. Oh, should probably bring that. The clear detailing supply box is crazy.
Isn't that cool?
And look at this, it's actually perfect size to fit a case.
You can actually fit probably 2 or 3 more.
There's a lot of space on that top.
There is.
That's kind of
Not bad.
nice.
Not too bad. Dude, this thing rips, by the way.
Did you rip it?
Yeah.
Cool.
Well, it's cold, so my arm is going to be easy.
Oh yeah, no, it should be warmed up.
Oh, that's fine, dude.
Perfect. Back to it. It is so easy to speed in this car.
loud and it's very fast.
Fast and loud.
It's a lot roomier than I thought it would be on the inside.
Yeah, honestly, not too bad. I gotta say, the S4 does look pretty good rolling too. This is the first time I think I've been behind this car with everything done to it, when it's been lowered, when it has the carbon on the rear. Everything's looking good on that car. Oh my god. That like 3,000 to 4,000 RPM in this car is just, it's insane. This thing has me giggling like a child. We got the X5M up front, the full bolt-on S4, and then the VF Supercharged R8 in the back. Not a bad Sunday morning rip, if you ask me. Oh, there's a student driver in front of us three. Yay, they got off. All right, we can actually go a little fast now.
That video is not stable.
That's fine. I've driven the Huracan, which is the same V10 in the new Gen R8s, and I think I might like this better, to be honest with you. This is just more raw, and the supercharger on top of it's just wicked. Can you say that one more time for the camera? I didn't quite catch that.
Kev, your car is medium speed. No, it's fast. I love it.
Was it just you two in it?
Yeah.
Dude, even with the weight, I got like golf clubs in the back, but she's quick.
She scoots, man.
When it spools, it actually goes.
Really smooth.
It's really smooth. Meanwhile, my car, you're like,
Dude, that thing was fun. Thanks for letting me do that.
Yeah,
If
dude.
you guys don't already, which you probably should, go follow this guy on Instagram. That's what. R8. How do you like the interior on that? Have you been in like a new Audi recently?
No, just that's what I was saying. Like this thing is just, it's nice.
You could have gotten a massage if you wanted to.
You have massage seats?
I sure do.
No way.
Oh yeah.
Dude, get real.
I should have told you that before we left.
I can hear you when I was in front of you.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're back in the S4. If you guys don't already follow Troy, go give him a follow on Instagram, .spot_R8. Thank you guys so much for watching. That was an absolute blast. The VF Supercharged R8, dude, I'm loving those Gen 1s more and more every single day. It is such a sick car. If you guys are new to the channel, want to see more stuff like that, more shenanigans, more car reviews, more car modifications, hit subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Until next time, ladies and gents, we'll see you.